Yeah.
Yeah, it is interesting, Joey, that point, because unlike most tools, this tool looks so magical and is so usable right off the bat, that I think people are just running with it. But I think that for the most part, they're running with scissors because it's very easy to do something like what you're describing there, to basically roll out, fire all your support staff and roll out an AI assistant and say go, and then find out the issues that happen when basically, I mean, the metaphor, and it's not even a stretch of a metaphor, it may even be a little bit of the reality, is that essentially you're bringing an intelligent but completely untrained person in and telling them to do a job. And this person, in this case an AI, is fully confident in, it's like Dunning-Kruger, right? They're fully confident in their abilities. They're going to do the job you told them to do regardless of anything.